Hi guys, hello, welcome back. So in today's video I will be reviewing Minimalist face toner. So they recently launched it. It was their first launch of 2021 and I was really excited to buy something from their brand for a very long time, and I was actually in need of toner. I was running out of the one that I was currently using and I thought this would be a great chance for me to try something out. I also got another product from their brand. It's the PHA peeling solution or something like that. I don't quite remember the name of it, but I will be reviewing that one soon as well. But for now I have actually used this toner for the first time today itself, and I am in love with it because the consistency is so different from other toners that I have tried before. And I don't know, the toners that I've tried before were not as they all felt like water. They all had that watery consistency, but this is a little different. I particularly read a lot about PHAs and what benefits can they do for your skin and all about that on their website itself and also on their Instagram. So I found that very helpful. So they personally say that we can use it in our AM as well as PM skincare routine. After cleansing, you can take up few drops on your palms and press it gently on your face and neck, and that is exactly what I do. I know personally a lot of people use toners with cotton pads and I know they rub it across their face, but firstly I don't use cotton pads anymore. Like, I hardly ever use them. I feel they are very wasteful and you can save a lot of money if you don't use them. They are not that good for the environment as well. Now it's too soon to give it a raving review because I have used it just once, but I really liked it for the first time when I used it. However, I would like to see some differences on my face for me to recommend this to you. So it has really great ingredients. Again, it also has niacinamide, and I know niacinamide is the, I don't know, it's like a buzzword in the skincare industry right now. Everyone is going crazy about niacinamide, so this has it. Yeah, let me try this out for a couple more weeks, and they personally, I feel that they recommend using this for 4 to 6 weeks to see any changes. I could be wrong. I will check it one more time, but I will definitely use it for at least 3 weeks or a month, and I will let you know my thoughts on this one very soon. So until then, goodbye. Okay, so now it has been a good month and a half ever since I started using this Minimalist PHA toner, and I have my complete thoughts on it. I wanted to tell you that I'm so bummed that I did not take before and after shots because I don't know, it's just a toner. I did not expect to see such huge changes, but I saw really amazing changes, and let me tell you what were those changes. So firstly, the texture on my skin started to feel really good. Secondly, I have these blackheads over here. I don't know, I've always had them. I don't know when and how they started to appear on my skin, but yeah, they were always there. So I used to have two blackheads over here, and sometimes I did extract them, and I know that's not good for you. They always say that home extractions of blackheads is not that great for your skin and it can lead to more damage. Okay, so later on when I learned this, I started to leave them alone, and I just thought that maybe nothing will help them, and it did not bother me as much. Okay, so when I started using this one, of course I was not expecting to see anything or any changes on my blackheads because I've had them for years. Okay, now I'm talking like 4 or 5 good years, and yeah, I used to hide it with makeup, or even if I didn't, it did not bother me that much. Somehow this magically got rid of my blackheads and I don't see them anymore. Okay, so that's a very huge thing to say. Now, I never really had a lot of blackheads on my nose or even wide whiteheads of that matter. I do have some texture on my nose just like every other human out there. So again, I was a big fan of this toner when it got rid of that blackhead, and I don't know, the consistency on this one again is very different from other toners that you will try out there. It is also very hydrating, and at the same time it helps you gently chemically exfoliate your skin. I'll tell you the pros and cons of this one. Okay, so the first pro is it's very affordable. Secondly, I really like the packaging on this one. It's very simple but very cute at the same time. Thirdly, it's very easily available on their website, and the shipping is also pretty fast. Fourth, I love the texture on this one. It's nothing like I've tried before. Fifth, you get a PHA chemical exfoliator under this price and in India, so it's very rare these days. The only con that I feel about this one is the bottle is very small, and I wish they, I don't know, had a bigger version of this or a refill of this, because I feel this is for 150 ml and I can see that I am almost halfway through, and I've used this for 1.5 months, so I'll be done with whatever is left very soon. And this is a con for me because I love this product, and I would highly encourage you, if you were looking for a mild chemical exfoliant, give this one a shot. So I told you it's a bit hydrating, but it's not like oily on your skin. The only thing that I feel that you should keep in mind while using this, it takes a little longer to absorb into your skin. Okay, so just wait for it to absorb and then move on to your other steps of skincare. I really hope that if you buy this product, you would enjoy using it as much as I did. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you have ever used anything from Minimalist and what do you think about it. I am actually in love with this brand. I also have one more product and I cannot wait to start using it. So yeah, that's my review on this one. I really hope you guys, I don't know, enjoyed watching or found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing before you leave. That really helps me out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.